Welcome back to the moral science class. In this video, we will read chapter number 10, that is, Be the Winner. Now, winning spirit refers to the zeal. Zeal means great energy, enthusiasm, and confidence that makes you realize that one day you will surely win. It refers to the positive approach that one adopts so as to succeed in life. A person with winning spirit is optimistic in nature and says to himself or herself, I have to win, I will win. Optimistic means expecting good things to happen. Now, a person who attains something or wins something is called a winner, whereas a person who fails to attain anything is called a loser. Attains means to succeed in getting or achieving something. There is a great difference between the approaches of a winner and a loser. The way they see the things, it's quite different. You can recite the poem. The winner says it may be difficult, but it is possible. The loser says, it may be possible, but it is too difficult. Winner makes it happen, and losers let it happen. Winners always have a plan. Losers always have an excuse. Winners are a part of the team. They work together, but losers are a part from the team. When winners make a mistake, he says, I was wrong. When loser makes a mistake, he says, it was not my fault. So students, whatever the situation comes, the winner tries his best to make things possible. He makes it happen. But the loser always gives an excuse why he couldn't do it. Winners, they believe in teamwork, but losers are apart from the team. Whenever somebody makes mistake and they admit that they were wrong, that makes a person winner. But a loser would never accept his mistake. So children, many people became winners in life because of the strong will and hard work. We will read about Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani, Saina Nehwal and Abhinav Bindra and how they've become winners in their life. We'll begin with Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani. Now, Dheeraj Lal Hirachand Ambani, better known as Dhirubhai Ambani, transformed his life and emerged as a winner in life. His life depicted rags to riches. Rags means clothes that are very old, that shows a poor life. Now Dhirubhai, he was born in 1932 and he died in 2002. Was born to Hirachand Ambani and Jamna Ben Ambani. His parents were poor. In his childhood, Dhirubhai once said to his mother, why do you keep screaming for money? I will make heaps of money one day. So even when he was small, he said like this. Screaming means to cry out loudly in a high voice. And heaps, an untidy pile of something. So in his childhood only he said that he'll make lot of money. In his early life, Dhirubhai worked at a petrol station in Yemen. In 1969, he somehow arranged some money and founded the Reliance Industries Limited. He grabbed various opportunities. Grab means to take something with a sudden movement, took risk and kept on working hard. He was a man who was far ahead of his times, far ahead of his time means they had he had new ideas a long time before other people start to think in the same way. His policy was think big, think differently, think fast, think ahead, and aim for the best. Now, Dhirubhai's efforts made the Reliance Industries progress day and night and became a Fortune 500 company. He started with one company. Today, his two sons, as you must have seen in the news or in your must have heard from your parents, his two sons, Mukesh and Alina Bani, are Forbes billionaires. And Mukesh Ambani, he's the sixth richest person in the world. And this all started with his father because he worked hard and never gave up. And he was ahead of his time. He used to think differently and he worked hard so that he could achieve the things that he wanted. Next one, Saina Nehwal. Now, Saina Nehwal was born on 17th of March 1990 at Hisar, Haryana. She is a leading women badminton player of India. Now, she had an ambition to become a great badminton player. So, she sweated hard on the badminton court and eventually claimed the bronze medal at the London Olympics in the year 2012. Besides this, she also won many other prestigious titles. Prestigious means very much respected and appreciated. Even the government of India honored her with the Arjuna Award, the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. And the third person, Abhinav Bindra. Now, Abhinav Singh Bindra was born on 28 September 1982 at Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Now, he is an Indian shooter who became the first Indian to win an individual gold medal in the 10-meter air rifle event at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Besides this, he has also won many other prestigious titles. The government of India honored him with the Arjun Award and prestigious Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. So, children, the example of the above persons suggests that for becoming a winner in life, one has to take up challenges and then work hard to achieve the goal. So, from now onwards in your life, whatever you want to achieve, whether you want to be a doctor, a pilot, an army officer, you have to study hard. Whatever challenges will come in your life, you have to face them and keep on moving towards your goal so that you turn out to be a winner in your life. Thank you.